Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are having one logical question from Singapore Max Olympiad 2030 now. So if A is equal to 1.69, B is equal to 1.73, C is equal to 0.48, find the value of 1 over A square minus AC minus AB plus BC plus 2 over B square minus AB minus BC plus AC plus 1 over C square minus AC minus BC plus AB. This is given in Singapore Max Olympiad SMO 2030 now. So, as you are going to solve this problem, before starting the problem, don't forget to pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. Your subscription is very important. So like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. So here first of all we'll solve the problem. So what is given? 1 by a square minus AC plus BC. Sorry, minus BC plus minus AB. Minus AB plus BC plus 2 by B square minus AB minus BC plus AC plus 1 by C square minus AC minus BC plus AB. So here you have to solve this and you have to substitute the values of A, B, C. So directly if you substitute the values, the problem will be tough. First you have to solve these three and then you have to submit the values. Substitute the values. So here you can observe, here you can find the factors here. So here you can take A common, A minus C. Here you can take B common, minus B of A minus C. So in the same way, in the second one also you can take common. So here you can take B common, B minus A minus C common, B minus A. So in the third one now you can take C common, C minus A minus B common, C minus A. Now you are getting two factors, 1 by A minus C into A minus B plus 2 by B minus A into B minus C plus 1 by C minus A into C minus B. So here these factors are not in cyclic. Just I will write the cyclic A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So this is the cyclic order. So if you follow the cyclic order here, you'll get minus 1 by. So A minus B. Okay, A minus B is already there. Here C minus A. You have to get C minus A. That's why we are getting negative. So here you'll write C minus A. The second one also will get the same negative. So here B minus C is there. And here A B minus A is there. But here you have to get A minus B. So for that you'll get negative. Third one, here also you'll get negative. So here C minus A is already there. The second one, B minus C should be there. So for that you got here negative symbol. Now if you take the LCM here, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. LCM here we are getting A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So A minus B, C minus A is there. So here you'll get minus of B minus C minus 2 into here A B minus C, C A minus B is there. C minus A minus here C minus A, B minus C is there. You'll get A minus B. So if you open the bracket here, minus B plus C minus 2C plus 2A minus A plus B by A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So BB get cancelled here. Here in the numerator you'll get A minus C, 2A minus A, 2C minus C will get by A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So these two get cancelled. Here you'll get minus 1. So here the left value is minus 1 by A minus B, B minus C. So you will substitute the values minus 1 by A minus B value 1.69 minus 1.73 into B minus C value 1.73 minus 0.48. So here what will get minus 1 by minus 0.04 into here what will get 1.25. So here minus minus get cancelled. 1 by 0.05 will get if you multiply you will get this value is nothing but 20. I hope you understood this problem. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friend. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.